In this video we're going to work on pronouncing Greek words. We'll start with the word arche. The alpha has an ah sound. Arche, which means ruler, as in archbishop. Bios, which means life, like biology. Gune, which means woman, as in gynecology. The gamma always has a hard G sound, g, but what you will find is words like angelos, which has two gammas, and then you pronounce that ng. This word means messenger, and our word is angel. Change colors here. Demos, which means a people, as in democracy. Zoon, is a living being, as in zoology. Hegeomai, which is a verb that means to lead, as in hegemony. Theoria, probably guess what word we have from this one. It means an observation. Our word is theory. Hippos. Whoops. And notice I didn't do this with hegeomai, but this h sound, this is a rough breathing. There's no letter H. There's no letter for our letter H in Greek. There's just this indication that you pronounce it h. It's in hippos, which means horse. Our word is hippopotamus, which means river horse. Potamos is river. Kratos, which means power, as in democracy, the people power. Leukos, which means white, like leukocyte. Mathos, which means understanding, like our word math. Naos, which means ship, like nautical. Zulon, which is wood. Well, a piece of wood. Like xylophone, a wood sound machine. Orthos, which means straight or erect, like orthography, straight writing. Just clear this out. Politeis, which means citizen, like politics. Rhetor, where's this accent? Rhetor, which is an orator or speaker, and our word rhetoric comes from that. I went over this in the last video, the word seismos, which means earthquake. Our word is seismic. Techne, which means craft, like technique or technology. Huper, again we have this aspirated h sound, which means it's a preposition that means above, like the word hyper, hyperactive. Phone, which is sound or voice, like telephone. Chroma, just color, like chrome or chromosome, which means colored body, because those were the those were the stained parts that would show up in a microscope, so they named them after being colored. Ooh, whoops. Suke, am I spelling this right? Yes, Suke, which is soul or spirit. There it is, in psychology or psychosis. And finally, well, this one I didn't think we'll find a cognate for. Homogeron, kind of an interesting word there. Oh, homogeron, not homo. Does not have an aspiration at the beginning, which means in active or vigorous old man. This geron means old man. Like, oh, we do gerontology. Gerontology, or I've heard this word before, gerontocracy, the power of the old. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next video.